Hello everyone. So today we are going to implement this grenade count. So you can see the grenade count here. So at the moment player do have 2 grenades. So if I throw one of the grenades, you can see the count reduced to 1, and if I throw another one, it becomes 0. And if I try to throw again, you see in the middle I get that notification saying no grenades. So yeah, this is what we are going to work on today. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for your support. Okay, so the grenade throwing is implemented in ALS base character, and in this input action throw grenade. So here I just select the throwable class as BB grenade and throw the object. But here we don't really consider if there is a limited grenade count or limited grenade amount of grenades in the player's inventory. We just spawn a grenade and throw it. So that's not really what we want to do now. What I want to do is implement in a counter so that player will not be able to throw grenades without a limit. Right. So for that, let's just add a variable. Maybe we will have to replace this single variable with the inventory and a variable inside the inventory, but for now just one variable would do. So here, or maybe let's implement it under guns, because this is also a weapon. Grenade count. This should be an integer, and by default let's make this 4. So here let's collapse this so we can have some more space. Check grenade count. Right, now here we can get this grenade count and check if it is larger than 0. If we only have grenades, let's continue after this point. Otherwise we don't need to continue. So right, and here when we release also we need to do the same check, and also we need to decrement it as well. So update grenades. Just like before, we can get the grenade count and check if it is greater than 0. And if yes, we can decrement this and exit. Right, let's check. I have disabled the AI of the other character so that he won't interfere with our testing. Can throw 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can't. Okay, so when that happens, I need to show that no grenades player warning as well. So for that, actually, where did we implement it? No ammo. We implemented that inside the gun. Right. So we only need to show that no ammo or no grenade notification only if this is the player character. So for that we can get HUD. This interface event works. And is valid. We can show warning. No grenades. If we don't have a HUD, we can just skip this part. Right, it should be fine. Oh wait. This part should happen here. Here, actually. Oh wait, no, not here. That should happen actually here, when we check the grenade count. Right. To make it easier for testing, let me change the grenade count to 2. So now I get no grenades in the middle. Maybe it should be a bit, that notification should stay a bit longer. 0.5. Okay, now the next thing I need is I need to see the number of grenades the player has in the HUD. So for that, here we have, this is HUD blueprint. We have weapon HUD, but this is specific for the weapon, so it's not a good idea to put the grenade count also here. And we have the health widget. This is also a separate thing, so I think we should also have another separate widget for the grenade count as well. Do I have a grenade icon? I do. I do have a grenade icon. Okay. Then here let's add a widget, user interface, widget blueprint, user widget, WDG grenades. So yeah, nothing is here. Let me open this weapon widget. So this has a canvas panel. The reason I opened the weapon widget is because the grenade count should appear above the gun. So yeah, first let's add the canvas panel, and then under that let's just only for visual purposes to position the grenades correctly, let's add weapon widget temporarily. Right, now we have an idea where the grenade count should go, maybe around here. So let's add an image, grenade. Oh wait, is this size okay? I'm not sure. Right, this will do. Or if we need, we can move it up. Wait, let's anchor this to the bottom left. What's the anchor of this one? Yeah, bottom left. 50 minus 50. Okay. Is it too high? Yeah. Maybe this is better. Okay, and then right next to that we need to have the grenade count also. So a text, we need to have the same font size and scale. So let me just copy this from the weapon widget, grenade icon, and paste. Minus 50 by minus 180. Okay. Right, now this should be aligned. So do we need an X in front of here? I think that aligns it. Okay, so now let me remove the weapon widget. We don't need it anymore. And here let's rename this grenade count. We need a function to update the grenade count. Custom event update grenade count. Set text from a string to text. So here we can do an append. Then let's get only the grenade count as an integer parameter. Count integer, put it here. And here let's put an X and a space. Right. Now we need to add this widget into the hard blueprint. So in the HUD, we need to have a function to update the grenade count and interface event. So here update grenade count, input should be an integer. Right, now here grenade count. So before we updating, we have to make sure that we have a grenade widget. So create widget, WDG grenades, promoter variable. So yeah, we should create it because we will be calling this update grenade count more than once. So therefore we should only create it if we don't have a valid grenade widget. So let's convert this to a validated get. If not valid, let's do this. Otherwise we can update it, but let me add a readout node here. Also we need to make sure that this is added to the viewport. So this in viewport. If not, we can add it. right? And also, yeah, we need to call update grenade count function with whatever the value we get here. Okay. All right. Now it should work. And it's not. Actually, we didn't call this function anywhere. This update grenade count function anywhere. So we have to do that. In the beginning and whenever we throw a grenade. Where is that? Here. When we throw a grenade, we decrement this. And also we can get hurt if this is valid. We have to update grenade count with the new grenade count value. If not, we can just exit. Right, and also we need to call it in the beginning as well. So yeah, let me just copy the same thing, or we can convert this to a macro. Let me break it and modify it to have only one exit. Let's rename this. Where is that macro? Get grenade counter. Okay, so now we can call the same thing in the begin play. Where's the begin play? Well, actually, why we make this cluttered? We know for a fact that this update grenade count is only important for the player. So let's do that in the ALS player. Right. Shall we test? Yeah. Now we can see the grenade count. If I throw one, becomes 1. throw another one. 0. If I try to throw again, there is no more grenades. Okay, so with that I think we can stop this episode. So thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download here in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.